We are en route to Delaware Water Gap, and Caitlin's gonna drive for me because I'm filming. Here you go, babe. Why don't you film? Gee whiz. We're heading to Delaware Water Gap. We got some Crowleys and some Fears and some Howards.
We're not afraid of the Fears.
Listening to some good music and going on a road trip. It's November 17th and there is snow on the ground before Thanksgiving.
Granted, it's not at our house.
It's true. True, another state. We had to come all the way up to Pennsylvania to find it. It is National Hiking Day.
Yeah.
Yep.
You're kidding.
We planned it that way. They did it for my birthday. So we're up here at Dingman's Falls in the Delaware Water Gap. It's on the Delaware River. It's between Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And this area here has I don't remember how many creeks, but there's like 16 actual waterfalls in this area within a half an hour of each other. And this area was actually coined the 8th wonder of the world when they were publicizing it to New York City back in the early 1900s, late 1800s. It's one of the cool things that we have because of taxes nowadays, or highways that we can travel. And we were able to get all the way up here, and of course you could travel all across the United States now, but a lot of these places were very secluded and to themselves, and the people that lived there or worked there were the only people that knew about them. But thankful to all of that, things that our taxes go towards that are good, the ability to go out and share and explore and experience things together. So cool. Yeah.
Did you hit your... Go.
He's going.
Come on. Come on. It kind of feels tight now.
All right, here we are. Doing a little bit of Algonquin training, distance training out in the snow. Up in the mountains of PA on the Delaware River, Delaware Water Gap. Look at them go. We're here at Raymond's Kill Falls. Made it to the next step. Nice little stream fall over here. Coming in. Raymond's Kill Creek. What do you think? Is it jumpable?
Down there. If the water depth is good, there's some nice platforms. Maybe 30 feet. Not too bad. So there's a lot of logs.
A lot of logs. See, that looks like a diving board up there. It looks like you can just jump right off of it. What do you think?
A lot of water coming in.
Is it jumpable? That is a lot of water.